Hello, in this video I will show you the initial steps you should take to get started with BookingPress. To start booking appointments in BookingPress, you first need to create at least one category and one service. Go to the Services page. This is the BookingPress Manage Services page. Here you can see all services, and you can also add new services and manage service categories. Now click the Manage Categories button. Here you can see the service categories. You can also add a new category. Enter the category name and click the Save button. The category has been successfully added. Now let's add a new service for this category. Click the Add New button. This is the Add Service page. First, you can set the service image. The service image has been added. Now, enter the service name, select the newly added category, and set the price and duration. You can also set buffer time before and after the service. Now, enter the service description. Once you activate the multiple quantity module, you'll see the multiple quantity settings section where you can customize the settings based on your needs. BookingPress allows you to set service start and expiry dates. Once the deposit payment module is activated, the deposit configuration section will appear. Here, you can set the deposit amount either as a percentage or as a fixed amount. BookingPress also provides the Extra Services feature. Here, you can add extra service details and click the Add button. Now, assign a staff member to this service. Click the Add New button in the Staff Member section. Select the staff member and set the min and max capacity. You can also set different prices for each staff member. BookingPress provides more advanced options. After completing all the settings, click the Save button. The service has been added successfully. Now, add a new staff member. This is the Manage Staff Members page. Here, you can see the staff member records. Now click the Add New button at the top. This is the Add Staff Member page. From here, you can add the staff member's profile photo. You can also assign an existing WordPress user or create a new WordPress user for the staff member. In this example, we'll create a new user. First, enter the password and basic details. Here, you can also set the staff member visibility, notes, and bio details. After that, assign the newly added service. One service has been assigned successfully. Here, you can see the commission settings section. This section is displayed only when the staff commission module is activated. Here, you can set the staff member commission rate. After that, click the Save button to save the staff member. The staff member has been added successfully. Now we have added the category, service, and staff member. Next, we need a booking form page to allow users to book appointments. So let's create a booking form page. This is the new page. Enter the page title. Now, add the shortcode. Click the plus icon and search for BookingPress. Now, select the booking form WordPress booking plugin. The booking form shortcode has been added. Now, publish this page. The page is now live. Open this page. This is the book appointment page. First, select the category and service. Now, select the staff member and click the Date and Time button. Select the date and time slot. Enter the basic details and click the Summary button. This is the booking summary page. Here, you can see all the appointment details. Select the payment method and click the Book Appointment button. The appointment is now booked. Go to the Backend Appointments page. This is the Manage Appointments page. The first record is the newly booked appointment. Here, you can see the appointment with full details.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.